Struggling with check engine lights, hidden faults, or expensive mechanic visits? A reliable car scan tool can save you time and money by diagnosing problems instantly. But not all scanners are equal. Some lack advanced features, while others are too complex or outdated. That's why we've picked the top 5 best car scan tools of 2026, powerful, accurate, and packed with smart diagnostics. Whether you're a DIY user or a professional, these tools help you understand your vehicle better. All product links are in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Number 5. OTOFIX D1 Lite Automotive OBD2 Scanner. The OTOFIX D1 Lite is a professional-grade diagnostic tool designed for full system scanning and advanced troubleshooting. It supports bidirectional control, allowing you to actively test components like fuel injectors, windows, and more. With CAN FD and DOIP protocol support, it works with modern vehicles, including FCA models with SGW access. The 2-year free updates ensure up-to-date performance. Its user-friendly interface, wireless connectivity, and fast diagnostics make it ideal for both mechanics and serious car enthusiasts looking for precise and reliable results.
Number 4. Ancel VD700 OBD2 Automotive Scanner. The Ancel VD700 is a feature-rich diagnostic tool built especially for VW, Audi, and Skoda vehicles. It offers full system diagnostics, including ABS, EPB, airbag, and DPF functions. With multiple reset features like oil reset and electronic parking brake service, it covers essential maintenance tasks. The interface is simple and beginner-friendly, making it great for DIY users. It reads and clears codes quickly while providing accurate data. If you own a VAG vehicle, this scanner delivers reliable performance at an affordable price point.
Number 3. KINGBOLEN S6 Car Diagnostic Tool. The KINGBOLEN S6 stands out with its Bluetooth connectivity and lifetime free updates, making it a future-proof choice. It supports CAN FD protocols and provides full system diagnostics across a wide range of vehicles. With 28+ reset functions and auto-VIN detection, it simplifies the diagnostic process. The wireless operation allows easy use with mobile devices, enhancing convenience. Its compact design, fast performance, and smart features make it perfect for both everyday drivers and professionals who want flexibility and advanced capabilities in one tool.
Number 2. THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT OBD2 Tool. The THINKCAR THINKSCAN 689BT is a powerful and advanced diagnostic scanner designed for modern vehicles. It supports CAN FD and DOIP protocols, along with bidirectional control and ECU coding for deeper diagnostics. With over 35 reset functions and lifetime free updates, it provides long-term value. The Bluetooth feature ensures wireless convenience, while the intuitive interface makes it easy to use. Whether you're troubleshooting complex issues or performing maintenance tasks, this tool offers professional-level performance in a portable and efficient package.
Number 1. Launch CRP129X V2.0 OBD2 Scanner. The Launch CRP129X V2.0 is one of the most trusted and widely used car scan tools available today. It delivers full system diagnostics, including engine, ABS, SRS, and transmission systems. With a fast processing system and easy-to-use interface, it quickly reads and clears codes while displaying live data streams. It supports multiple vehicle brands and offers regular software updates. Ideal for both beginners and professionals, this scanner combines reliability, performance, and affordability, making it the top choice for accurate and efficient car diagnostics. A good car scan tool can make vehicle maintenance easier, faster, and more affordable. These top 5 options offer powerful diagnostics, smart features, and great compatibility. Whether you're a DIY user or a pro, there's a perfect tool here for you. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.